Hey, good morning, everybody. I'd like to give a shout out to those fellow brethren of the Galactic Federation of Light. Oops. I just want to share with you guys something. This is a 1K pot, that I normally use on all my Bidini kind of motors and stuff. It didn't fare too well. It burned that resistive material. Burned the contact. Look at the contacts welded. So I guess I'm gonna have to find a bigger resistor. But the good news is I just replaced it with that half-watt resistor, or so half watt or 1 watt, I forget, but it's a big dude. Here's my circuit. Let me show you guys what I got going here. Oh, what are we talking about? We're talking about the Hadron Collider. No, that's my accelerator. I got both transistors hooked up, so I got both of these coils firing now. It's been a while. I haven't touched this thing for like a couple of weeks. I've been working on some anti-gravity theory stuff, doing some designs and stuff, so I haven't given much thought to this thing. But anyway, I thought I would at least backtrack a little bit, because I've had this thing running a while, but it hasn't been very reliable, and I found out why, and it's because of that thing. So, without further ado, let me show you what we got going here. All right, this thing right here is just a pot that I use to change the intensity of these LEDs so I don't burn them up or whatever. I like to play with it at nighttime. It's kind of fun. I'm going to end up doing a whole string of these things all the way around on a bus system, all the way around this thing. Once I get both magnets going, or the 4 magnets going, I'm going to put 2 more coils, one here and one here, just like this one, like these two. And then I'm thinking that if I can maintain some uniformity in the resistance of these coils, then the function may have enough uniformity to where 90 degrees of separation, which is equal to about 14 inches of travel distance, without having a complete synchronous system set up with a bunch of voltage comparators and different ICs or whatever, to try to make this thing more like a reactive kind of a system, where it makes adjustments to keep things synchronized. That's way over my head, I'll tell you that right now. But here's what I got. Let me see. I want to stick. We're going with I don't know if you can see that. What is that? 6.5 volts to the base of those transistors. 14.7 volts going to the IC, or the collector current input. And I got 12 volts here, 5 volts here. That 5 volts takes care of the base drive on the transistors, and also takes care of these LEDs. Make sure this thing is good. What I do is I use this little magnet right here on the tail end of the magnets, and then it allows me to position the magnets, the accelerator Neo pack, in the coil like that, and then it's just a simple of contact. Now I can play with the resistance on that thing and get that thing to really smoke around, but I'm going to have to get a higher wattage pot. Well, that's it. It's running, you know, with the single magnet. It hardly it don't even get warm. It don't even get warm at all. But I can get it smoking though. Once I got that pot, when I was cranking that pot up, I had this thing really smoking. But that's it. I just got to get a few higher wattage potentiometers or whatever and get them put in, and then I can really play with this thing a little bit and then try to get both of those magnets to work in unison. So that's kind of my next deal. And that's it. So the Bidini Linguini is actually operational. And that's the update. I thought I'd give you guys a little shout out this morning, show you what I had going. I've got, well, I'm probably not prepared to show you guys what I'm doing. And again, it's, I think I'll hold off on that. I'll wait till I get something designed completely with all the detailed drawings and stuff, and then I don't think I'm going to start work on it. I'm going to just kind of bust it out and share with the brethren on YouTube and see if I can get any inputs on the theory, or maybe, you know, maybe some ideas to augment the performance or to augment the theory or whatever. But that's it. I thought I could share that little thing with you guys and show you what's been happening with the Bidini Linguini. And so that's it for now. Signing off. Thanks for watching. If you guys got any questions, give me a holler. I'm gonna do a circuit. I'll do a circuit on a computer, and I'll make it available if you guys. If anybody wants to play with this kind of a deal, I'll show you what circuit I got going. But I don't have that right now because everything has been kind of on the fly, and I just haven't done the proper documentation. But essentially, that's it. That's where I'm going, right there. Self-propelled power supply, and then this opposing. I got a solid rotor. The rotor is going to be solidly fixed. Bearings on the upper, which is the south field. It's going to be made out of aorund, and then I have a north field plate on the bottom, and these two plates are going to spin. Hey, what are you doing up here? They're going to fin counter rotation. How about them apples? I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe I'll just be letting a bunch of smoke out of stuff, but that's it. I give you guys a little peek. Anyway, say hello. Say hello, Nero by Nero. Nero by Nero. What happened? Oh my God. Oh, you messed up my my focus. That's my big boy Nero Nero kitty. Anyway, folks, I thought I'd just say hey this morning, so we're gonna sign off. Nanu, nanu.